doing. My mommy said I'm gonna do it to my makeup. Mommy, I did it.
Okay, do it.
I'm gonna do makeup for Rapunzel. And then when I cut my hair, and then when I cut my hair, and then it will stay here, and then when I didn't cut my hair, it will stay here, and then it will stay here, guys. It will stay here. It will stay here. Yesterday it will stay here. Who else? Are you? Are you? Oh, you can't do it. Boys, you are not gonna be Rapunzel. You're gonna be the prince. I did it, Mommy. I did it, Mommy. When my mom say, and then she say her baby, she say she's gonna be Aurora. I did it.
Okay, off.
Okay.